Hi, my name is Michelle Bliss, and this is the week 2 for our Practicum 515 class. So I just wanted to introduce myself. A little bit about my academic background is that I graduated from high school up here in Northern California, and I received a volleyball scholarship. And with that, I moved to Texas. So I played volleyball and did my undergraduate work at Lubbock Christian University, and I have a degree in finance. And then as time went on and I had a family, I decided that finance and working on Wall Street was probably not for me. And so I started volunteering in schools when my kids were really little. And I decided to go to work at the high school when my kids started in my last one was a kindergartner. And so I went to work at the high school as a career tech. And that's where I really started enjoying schools and enjoying helping people with career counseling. And so during that time, that was about 10 years ago, I decided to go back and get my master's degree in career counseling. So through Brandman, I got a master's degree in career counseling, but it did not come with a credential. At the time, I decided that I didn't really want to work at K 12. I wanted to work more in the college setting. And then just as time goes by and being a mom, I have just stayed in the K-12 setting all along. And so I just decided now that my youngest is about to graduate from high school, I decided that I needed to go back and get a credential in the PPS credential. And so I found Brandman and they had a standalone credential program. So that's where I'm at. I was able to waive one of the classes because of my career counseling background, and I teach a career explorations class to juniors here where I work through the El Dorado County Office of Education. So, with that, I have 4 classes that I have to take, and then my practicum and my field work. So, right now, my practicum hours are being done at 2 places. I am working here at El Dorado County Office of Education, and they don't necessarily hire counselors within this county, um, but the job still has to be done. So I'm called an instructional leader here, but I do also hold the hat of the only counselor on campus. So I help all the kids with their academic, their transcripts. I also teach the career explorations class. So I deal with juniors all day or twice a week, I teach that class, and we talk about all kinds of careers and career explorations. And then I don't get a lot of my social emotional here because it's a small charter school and there's just not that going on a lot. I mean, I get some of it, and anytime anybody cries or anytime anybody's upset, they send them to me. So I do get some of it here, but my actual 400 of my hours are going to be coming from Golden Sierra High School, which is where I was a career tech 10 years ago. So, Golden Sierra High School is where I get most of those social emotional issues, which is really great because that is something I have been lacking because I have a lot with the career and academic. So, that it's working great for me, and I really love being back up at Golden Sierra a couple days a week, and then I also get some of my hours here at my job. So, nice to meet you the other day, and look forward to the rest of this class and getting my hours in. Thanks.